Hi friends, this is Akshay. Welcomes you all on Career Edge. If you want your name on this certificate, so just stay tuned for next 8 minutes and make this certificate your own. Today we are on the platform Hirist.com and we are doing recruiter certification program, and here is enrollment option. You can get the direct site link in description. You just tap on it and you get this interface, and here I enrolled. Enrolling, you have go through the dashboard. Firstly you have to confirm your email. I'm going to confirm my email, and here just tap on confirm email and next go to course, and after that you have to log in, and here is the course. Here is tech recruitment certification. Just tap on it, and here is our course. Total 4 modules are there, and after that a final assessment. So we are going one by one. Also there are some quizzes in between. After first module there is 3 quizzes, so we solve them also. And here how you get this certificate in 8 minutes. Just take the video player bar at the end and you get your next module, and here is the quiz one. It is in the second module, and here we are going to solve. Full stack developer is the answer of first, and also you can refer the above PDF for answering this. You can also download the PDF for your future reference, and here I am doing all the questions. And after that there is module 2. We do the same thing at that point, and after that we will move on final assessment. And after that we have to solve module 2. Total 20 questions in quizzes in this 3 modules, and after that in final assessment there are 30 questions, so we have to solve all of these. All the answers of the quizzes of these 3 modules are fully correct, so you can easily pass all of these, and only one mistake in the final assessment is there. There are 30 questions and I answered 29 correctly, so there is one mistake. You get correction at that point. So let's solve all of these. This is the last question of this final assessment of this course. I am able to get 29 out of 30 with 96%. I am surely confirmed that you get 100% by correction. And here is my certificate, a handsome certificate from Hirist. Thanks for course provider and thanks for you all for watching this video.